Hey everyone, welcome back. Now that you have a sense of what n8n is and how it compares to tools like Zapier, Make, or Airflow, let's talk about what you can actually do with it. Because once you understand the possibilities, that's when things really start to click. In this lesson, we are going to go over 4 major use cases for n8n. The first major use case is automation, the second one is APIs, the third one is AI workflows, and then finally we'll talk a bit about AI agents. And along the way, I would also show you a few real-world examples I've personally built so that you can start imagining what's possible for your own projects. Let's start with the most common use case, automation. So think of all the manual tasks you do every day, moving data between tools, sending emails or reminders, copying responses from one app to the other. With n8n, you can automate all of that. For example, I built automations that automatically summarize emails and send them back to my inbox using GPT-4. I've also built automations that create and assign tasks in Notion when a new lead comes in. I've even built automations that post content automatically to social media using scheduled triggers. And then finally, I have built this automation that also alerts me in Slack when specific keywords appear in a database or a document. Now, these are small, repeatable workflows, but to be honest, they do add up to hours saved every single week. So that's what makes n8n really powerful. You can connect nearly any services and let a system handle the repetitive work for you. Now, let's talk about the second common use case for n8n, which is APIs, integrations and custom connections. This is the second big use case for n8n. If you've ever wished two tools could talk to each other, then know that n8n can make this thing happen because it has built-in nodes for hundreds of popular services, but you can also connect any API using the HTTP request node. So for example, I've used n8n to connect Gemini and OpenAI APIs to process user inputs and generate text. I've also used n8n to integrate Twilio and WhatsApp to build chat-based assistants, used n8n to pull data from Google Sheets and push it to a custom dashboard or app, and even interact with AWS, Notion, or Slack APIs to sync data across systems. So essentially, n8n acts as a universal adapter. If a platform has an API, then you can plug it right in. And since you can host n8n yourself, you don't have to worry about exposing sensitive keys or sending data through third-party servers. Now let's talk about AI workflows. This is where automation meets intelligence, and this is where things get really exciting. n8n makes it easy to build flows that combine automation with reasoning. So for example, I've built workflows in the past that would typically just take a user's message, run it through GPT or Gemini, and return a summarized or rewritten version. I've also built AI workflows that can analyze uploaded files and extract insights automatically. I built AI workflows that generate personalized email drafts or content based on structured data, and even use embeddings and vector database for retrieval-augmented generation, which is RAG. These are the kinds of workflows that turn static data into smart dynamic systems. You're not just automating actions here, you're automating thinking. And the best part is that you can start simple, using one AI node at a time, and then eventually expand your workflows to grow. Now let's talk about the final use case, which is AI agent. Think of an AI agent as a workflow that can make decisions, perform actions, and interact with users all on its own. So for instance, I built several voice and chat agents powered by n8n. An example is a compliance bot voice agent that answers security questions and checks policy requirements, or an AI nutrition planner that builds meal plans through WhatsApp using Twilio and OpenAI, or a WhatsApp AI assistant that extracts user goals and returns structured responses like 3-day or 7-day meal plans. I've also built a brand voice AI agent that helps founders or content creators generate posts aligned with their tone. These aren't just automations, they are interactive assistants. They can listen, they can process, they can decide, and they can respond, all orchestrated inside n8n. This is the power of combining AI models, APIs, and automation all on one platform. So now I know I've been talking a lot, but let's recap. You can use n8n to automate repetitive workflows. You can use n8n to connect APIs and move data between platforms. You can use n8n to build AI-powered processes that think and respond. And finally, you can even create full AI agents that act on your behalf. Now, in the next lesson, we're going to dive into the n8n interface, and I'll walk you through the editor, explain how nodes work, and show you how you can build your very first AI workflow from scratch. See you there.